Hello, class. Today is May 21st. Our aim for today's lesson: how can we write a strong academic paragraph surrounding the broader concept of fathers and sons? Our objective for today's lesson is to outline and write an academic paragraph. Before we get started, let's take a look at what happened in this section of the novel, of the memoir. The Blockhelese told Ellie to eat his father's rations, that there was no real use to give it to his father because his father would die, that he had to look out for himself, that everybody was out for themselves. No one had friends, no one had fathers or brothers. Ellie let this thought enter his head, and he felt so ashamed. He actually considered the idea of eating his father's rations. After that, he ran. He ran fast and he got his father's soup and tried to tend to him. But that shame stayed with him, although no, he never acted on it. Not like Rabbi Eliyahu, right, the son who left his father. Eli never left his father's side. It seems he was being tested. After that, the SS struck his father in the head, which was probably the fatal blow. This is probably what killed his father. And a few days later, his father died, and Ellie had to carry on. All right, so our paragraph was set up yesterday using the outline that I had given you. So if you used the information from the chart on the previous day, there were 4 examples of a father and son relationship. If you filled that chart out, then you should have transferred that evidence to the outline in order to write the paragraph. So the prompt reads as follows. Reread pages 85 through 112 from Elie Wiesel's memoir Night and describe three thematic statements that develop surrounding the broader concept of the relationship between fathers and sons. Next, analyze how these themes emerge. You must provide textual evidence to support your analysis. Plan your paragraph on the outline provided and write your final draft on the space below. So if you look at the outline that I provided for you, the first thing you should do is start with the topic sentence. And as I've discussed many times, we always derive our topic sentence from the prompt. And here I've highlighted the portion of the prompt that you can kind of reword to create a topic sentence. In pages 91 through 112 from Elie Wiesel's memoir Night, the author develops three thematic statements emerge surrounding the broader concept of the relationship between fathers and sons. Okay. Next, you have 3 SGEs, one for each theme. Okay, one theme that emerges in the text is, you name it. You can get that from the chart that I provided for you on Monday. This is evident when, so this is where you add context and you add the quote, if you have a quote. If not, you can just grab an example from the text. You can paraphrase. And then, of course, your E, this is where you explain how your evidence supports your topic. So you have your when, where, who, did what, and then why. Why is your explanation. All right, guys. So this is going to be due on Monday. So please work on this over the weekend. You have tomorrow, today, and the weekend to complete this assignment. Have a great day.